Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a fried chicken. I have this chicken here, about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, consisting of thighs, about 4 thighs and 4 drumstick or 4 chicken legs. And I have this a saucepan here. I will add this chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 2 cups of water. And let it cook until the meat is tender. While waiting for my chicken to be cooked, I will make the seasoning for the fried chicken. I have here 4 tablespoons of paprika and 2 tablespoons of dry mustard, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon here of seasoning salt, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of ground thyme. 1 tablespoon of onion, ground onion, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of oregano. This is dried oregano and dried basil leaves. And I mixed it all up. The chicken are tender. I'm gonna move this in a bowl here. And let it cool. Now I'll make the batter for the chicken. For the fried chicken, I have half a cup of flour and 1 egg, and so here, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, ground black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of the seasoning that I make a while ago. I'm just gonna mix this. I turn the pan here to high for now, and I'm gonna start doing a deep frying. My chicken is, they are all they're calling off. Have the chicken ready, the butter, and the crumbs. I don't have a deep fryer because I hardly use deep frying. So I have this pan here, and I will add oil. This is a vegetable oil, canola oil. Just gonna wait when it's really hot. Now the oil, it's really hot. I'm just wash my hands. Just gonna take one and dip into the butter. And into the crumbs. Put it into the hot oil. And then it looks like it's start to turn other side. Oops, splashing. Looking good. Just turn the heat in medium. Looks like it's cooked. It's brown now. Transfer in a plate. and do the last batch of my chicken. That's what it says. This is a very good chicken, a very famous one. I think this one is ready too, and this is the last batch, the chicken legs, the drumstick. Here's my chicken. Let's taste it. Choose the drumstick one. Very tender and juicy. It's very good. Thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.